Hey, what's poppin', ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of Check This Out TV. Today, what we're checking out is these fireworks here in San Diego, California. And today's just a typical Saturday night. It is a Labor Day holiday, but that's not why this is going on. These will be happening again tomorrow, the next day, and the next day, pretty much 7 days a week, about 10 p.m. daily. So if you guys are in the San Diego area, you want to enjoy a VIP style little bonfire, just hang out with your friends and get a free little show while you're at it, you come over here on the north side, like I'd say like northwest or whatever of SeaWorld, back in Mission Bay Park. It's going down, y'all. Thanks for checking us out. Oh wait, we'll let this keep rolling. I believe it's about a 2 minute show, maybe even three. Leave a comment if you guys think I need a stabilizer. And that should be the big bang, the final one. Yup, 3 minute long show, y'all. There it is. Thanks for checking us out. If you guys are ever in San Diego, come hang out with your friends, family, and loved ones. Have a great time, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, spread love, not hate.